Today, I would like to show you a very nice product from Debug, which is an embedded development tool specially designed for ARM CorteM based chips. It is a debug and trace tool called Microtrace and has been launched to the market for almost 1 year. During the past year, we have received a lot of positive feedback of this product. Therefore, I want to introduce it to more people who are working on CorteM. For the ones who are still standing out of the door and wondering why should I choose CorteM instead of some other microprocessors available at roughly the same price, I would say high performance, low silicon cost, perfect power consumption profiles at both dynamic and static times, wide range of I/O interfaces, perceived as the right stepping stone from an 8/16-bit MCU. ARM is a big trend. This list can probably go on. No matter what particular reasoning behind, going with CorteM might be an undeniable fact of life, and it will be widely used as next microcontroller technology. The CorteM family is optimized for cost and power-sensitive MCU and mixed-signal devices for end applications such as automotive, industrial control systems, white goods, consumer products, and medical instrumentation. ARM CorteM processor is a global microcontroller standard, having been licensed to over 40 ARM partners, including leading vendors such as Freescale, NXP Semiconductors, ST Microelectronics, Texas Instruments, Toshiba, and so on. Using a standard processor allows ARM partners to create devices with a consistent architecture, while enabling them to focus on creating superior device implementations. For all of the reasons that I have talked, we have decided to keep up with the world and develop a dedicated tool for CorteM. Microtrace is an all-in-one solution with debug and trace functionalities in one box. It targets specifically the ARM CorteM family and supports for more than 1,000 different CorteM-based chips. Along with the expanding of CorteM family, the number is growing all the time. Microtrace has USB 3.0 interface to the host computer, supports for standard JTAG, CJTAG, and zero-wide debug protocols. It has 256 MB trace memory and is able to do 4-bit parallel trace. There are 10, 20, 34-pin half-size connectors available for connecting to the target hardware and a wide variety of adapters to work with other connectors. The working voltage range is between 0.3 and 3.3 volt. As a debugger, Microtrace supports high-level language debugging for C and C++, setting simple and complex breakpoints, reading and writing memory during program runs, flash programming, operating system-aware debugging for user Linux, micro-COS, embedded COS, free real-time OS, and so on. Since more than 10 years, we have been supporting multicore debugging, so as Microtrace. As to trace features, ITM generates information about the performed read and write accesses assisted by the date watch point and trace unit. The ITM trace information can be read out over TPIU and zero-wide output. 4-bit ETM tracing in continuous mode is supported. Operating system-aware tracing is supported again for operating systems such as user Linux, micro-COS, embedded COS, free real-time OS, and so on. 3 recording modes available to record the trace information. FIFO is most commonly used. Stream mode is useful when long-period recording is needed. Real-time profiling is particularly suitable for performing coverage analysis and makes the analysis of task and function in runtime possible. Last but not the least, Microtrace is also available for energy measurement using TRACE32 analog probe. Microtrace is a compact tool for debugging and tracing. It serves powerful functions even for smallest devices. Microtrace helps you further reduce the debugging time and optimize the energy consumption. Most importantly, it's such a competitive product with high performance-price ratio. Regarding to Microtrace, There are some articles available on our website. If you have interest, please go to our homepage and search the keywords. For more information, please visit this link of Microtrace or go to our homepage. Thank you for your attention.